is currently also at the title of Datu and also the Sultanate of Bayon in Philippines ambassador to UK. Dr. Emily Khan.
Thank you. Your Worship, Mayor, Mr. Swain, councillors, distinguished guests, and Dr. Bushra. Allama Iqbal once said, जहाँ में अहले ईमान सूरत खुर्शीद जीते हैं, जहाँ में अहले ईमान सूरत खुर्शीद जीते हैं, उधर डूबे इधर निकले, इधर डूबे उधर निकले. So it's my honor and privilege to be with you tonight. I'm delighted to see guests from all walks of life. It's a historical occasion for us to be honored in this very historical town, Wilson Forest, Town Hall, where Alfred Hitchcock was. And not very far from there, there is a scholar, William Morris, lived. And just short from there, another important person, Sharif of Nottingham, lived. Although we are still looking for where their Robin Hood is. So, equipped with the divine faith and guidance, we have before us Professor Abu Dhar Muhammad Wajidi, a scholar, a scientist, a man of all seasons. His generous heart overflowed with gratitude under the agreeable exterior dwells a strategic mind. Just look at him. Intellectual career presents a unique view of Professor Wajidi. And this is what, again, briefly, Allama said, अक़वाम के हाथों में है मिल्लत की तकदीर, हर फर्द है कौम की मिल्लत का सितारा. So in Professor Dr. Wajidi, we see what Allama Iqbal's vision was. So, destiny is not a matter of chance. We need to remember it is a matter of choice. It's not a thing to be waited for, it is a thing to be achieved, as shown by Professor Wajidi here. Yesterday he was honored at the Royal Society of Medicine, 200 years old prestigious body. The first professor of non-medical field was honored by the medical experts. And thank you very much for your presence over there, which made the occasion much more interesting. And so, we are rarely of Namukam Badagar, and this is where Professor Wajidi has brought his vision here to us in UK. And today we had a very useful meeting with the Professor Sethi, who is the head of the global health, to establish a link between UK and the University of Pakistan. It's a very important development. It's an important development because we know the issues surrounding the health and the mental health issues in Waltham Forest. And he agreed overall that it's a good idea to establish a public health, a master in public health with disability. And disability has been a motto for us in this Paralympic. So this is one of the goals to which, under the guidance and collaboration of Professor Wajidi with Royal Society of Medicine, we shall be proceeding to. So we thank you, sir, for your dauntless energy and by which you combine the intellectual link between Pakistan and United Kingdom, I think for the first time. Never before we had an intellectual academic professor came here with so much of knowledge and experience and energy, and you are the first one who were able to help us accomplish this vision. Never imagined before. And briefly, as we have been, I've been a visiting professor to Pakistan for the last 25 years or so, universities, medical colleges, and especially to the Faculty of Management and Administration, which is a very palatial building you will enjoy when you will visit sometime in a few months' time, and probably will be waiting for something from Professor Walidi and to invite you. Professor Walidi is very well liked. He is very well liked. Some of the comments which his students said, he is exceedingly good person. Openness, humility, character, integrity, optimism, deep and abiding love for God, vision, inspiration, full intensity, character, vigor, zest, and profound gratitude, deep insights, idiosyncrasies, and dedicated, true believer, godly, interested, engaged. Of course, I can't finish what Shakespeare said, but these summarizes the qualities of Professor Walidi, who has got 14 teaching research projects, and he has been acting vice chancellor many times as a senior dean and a director of the evening program. And the wonderful thing about that is we've got 20,000 students who are not able to attend, who are not able to get the chance, are able to do that to achieve the higher degrees in the country like Pakistan. He has got teaching experience of 35 years, and he has got 25 PhDs completed under his guidance. And he's still got 20 more supervision under his